In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find uncleared and unreconciled transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if your bank balance in QuickBooks doesn't match your actual bank, or if you're trying to clean up your books before a reconciliation. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to spot those transactions that are still hanging out, waiting to be reviewed. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand menu. You're going to hover over or click on the accounting section. When that opens, choose the tab labeled Chart of Accounts. This is basically the master list of all the accounts in your books, like your bank accounts, credit cards, and other ledgers. Once the chart of accounts is open, find the specific account you want to review. Most of the time, this will be a bank or credit card account, since those are the ones you reconcile against statements. When you've found the right account, move over to the right-hand side of that row and click the option that says View Register. This opens up the account register, which is like a running list of all the transactions that have hit that account. Inside the register, look toward the top of the page for a filter icon that looks like a funnel. Go ahead and click that filter icon. This tool lets you narrow down what you're seeing so you don't have to scroll through every single transaction just to find the ones that aren't reconciled. In the filter panel that appears, look for the drop-down labeled Reconcile Status. Click that drop-down, and from the list of options, choose Not Reconciled. This tells QuickBooks you only want to see transactions that have not yet been reconciled. When you've selected Not Reconciled, click Apply. Now your register will refresh and show you only the unreconciled transactions for that account. These could include uncleared checks, pending deposits, or entries that never matched up with your bank feed. From here, you can review each transaction one by one, compare them with your bank statement or online banking, and decide whether they need to be matched, edited, or possibly deleted if they're duplicates or errors. Using this filter regularly is a great habit. It helps you quickly catch issues before they snowball into bigger reconciliation problems, and it keeps your QuickBooks balance aligned with your real-world bank balance. That's all there is to it. Open your chart of accounts, go into the register, apply the Reconcile Status filter, and focus on those not reconciled transactions.